The technician told me that this was cracked and it was full of water. Yes, it was full of water, but it was no crack in it. It's fixed. Now both sides blink at the same time. I cleared the headlamps, both of them. I checked every single light around the car. Everything is working except the third brake light. And I just finished doing the rear brakes. They're new now. Both sides on the back, they're new. New pads, new rotor. So I still have to do the front ones. I might have to fix one of the lower control arm, but the fucking technicians fuck up when I take it to the first inspection. So now I can see from here, but maybe from here. Okay, well, everybody knows I fixed the center console trim plate. So I think this is the last thing I have to work on it. But it's drying upstairs. After than that, I think it's gonna be ready for pass the safety inspection or state inspection. Wish me luck.